Hi, I'm Gabriel Caruana. We're here in booth C7236, and today we're looking at the M54. Over here you'll find 54-inch cabinets. This is new to Absen. What the cool thing about this is that you can use this as existing Vesta mounts. So if you happen to have those thin bezel LCD panels that have the lines going through here and here, you can actually replace those using the exact same mounting using our M54. If you actually take a walk around back here and take a look, it looks kind of plain, but you'll notice it's this traditional Vesta mounts that you have on every LCD panel out there. So if you want to change out those themes for a seamless environment, this is the M54. It has a special software that's called Flip Chip that gives it a 0.6 pixel pitch. So right now you're looking at a 4K. So all this is 4K, 109 inches of 4K. Each panel is 1080, 1080, 1080. And as you can see, it's COB technology. It's great. If you want to come see it, come find us at Absen at booth 7236.